My grandmother has
Because you know what?
our Nana.
I came home to a two-tier, like, giant thing on the table.
I'm videotaping him.
She told me she goes, eat it, you need to finish
Wait, I get this one for Joe, ready? Hang on.
I love that.
One, two,
We already have it.
Feel like a son behind the guy sneezing.
Victor.
Yes. Oh.
See ya. Take care.
I don't know what's going on, but these guys are hysterical for like 20 minutes.
So much.
I had a great time. Bye, Abigail.
I had art.
I bet.
No.